In this cool down, you're told that there are three students and they each found the area of a triangle to be 14 square units, but they reasoned about it in different ways. So I'm going to explain to you how you can think about how each student reasoned about it. So we'll start with Elena on the top left. The way she reasoned about it is she cut the triangle in half right there to create two smaller triangles. And then she surrounded each triangle in a rectangle, recognizing that when you do that, the area of each triangle is half the size of the rectangle that encloses it. So for the small triangle, you have a rectangle that is 2 by 4 units, which is 8. And so the area of that triangle is going to be 4 since the triangle is half the rectangle. And this is a 5 by 4 rectangle. 5 times 4 is 20. So the area of this triangle is 10. So the area of the entire triangle is 14. For Lynn, what Lynn did on the top right is Lynn made a copy of this triangle and placed it on top of the original triangle, thus creating this parallelogram. And since we already know the formula for finding the area of a parallelogram, we can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units for the base. There's the height from the top base straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So the area of the parallelogram is 28, and we can see that the orange triangle is half the size of the parallelogram. Half of 28 is 14. And so the area of Lynn's triangle is 14 by her reasoning. And Elena's is 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now for Noah at the bottom, the way Noah reasoned about it is he simply cut the triangle off right here and rotated it down here to create this very short, long parallelogram, and then found the area of that parallelogram. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units by 2 units for the height of the parallelogram. 7 times 2 is 14. And since to create the parallelogram, all Noah did was decompose and rearrange the triangle, we know that does not change the area. So therefore, all three students reasoned about finding the area of the triangle as 14 in different ways.